Stop by and take a look at the 2018 BMW X3. BMW X3 builds on the success of the original by developing its core competencies while adding new technology to establish new benchmarks for agility, efficiency, and comfort. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, navigation system, power liftgate, dual airbags, Bluetooth, panoramic moonroof, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You've found it, so stop in today.